everyone, I'm Serpent Delicious from Simple Trade, and in today's spotlight we have GAXY, a recent runner that made some nice moves in the past week, which could have gained you 135% if you did your due diligence right. It is the first time we review this stock on our channel, so let's get some background on it. Galaxy next generation manufacturing and distributing learning technologies and enhanced audio solutions. They also develop hardware and software that allows the presenter and the participant to engage in a fully collaborative instructional environment. Not the most popular niche nowadays among the metaverse and the EV sectors, but numbers don't lie. The stock bounced from 004 to almost a penny in 1 week. It could be a sign that the market is getting hotter. So on the 7th of September, the first green day in this rally, the company released some positive news about their extinguished equity line of credit and that there are no additional registered shares to be issued. In simple words, they announced that the dilution is over for now. They have also mentioned a decrease in liabilities from 13.3 million to 7.8, an increase in revenue average from 700k to 2 million. And with decrease in liabilities and decrease in assets, they have managed to take shareholders' deficiency from over 7 million to just over 600k. And as the momentum was building up, they released another positive PR about them being awarded approximately 300k in new purchase orders just this week alone, which increases this month's revenue by 375% if you compare it to the last December, that generated the company only 80k for the entire month. I would also like to mention that the company is an OTCQB member since 2018, which is one tier higher above a pink current. And in order to stay a member in the OTCQB, the price per share must be above 1 penny 1 month before they renew their qualification next year. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you learned from it, don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification button so you don't miss any future videos. If you didn't join our Simple Trade Discord community, the link is down below in the description.